Good morning, girls and guys. So, today we'll be proceeding further with chapter number 5. But before that, my little request to all of you is to go back and replay the recordings which I had recorded earlier so that you can revise the previous topics and imprint them in your brain clearly and properly. Topic for the day is accountants' involvement in development work. An accountant can help in the following aspects. The mnemonic for this is SRCC. S stands for skills expected from an accountant. R stands for return of investment. C stands for computing cost of IT implementation and cost benefit analysis. C stands for computing cost of IT implementation and cost benefit analysis. For analysis of return of income, cost and benefits needs to be generated. For analysis of ROI, two things need to be generated, that is cost and benefit. Further cost can be of three types: development cost, operating cost, and intangible cost. Development cost means development cost of CBIS includes costs like salaries of developer. Operating cost में आता है operating cost of the CBIS include depreciation charge and salaries of the computer operators. Intangible costs are the costs which can't be easily measured. As for example, development of a new system may disrupt the activities of an organization which might lose the morale of an employee. So concluding, the 2 points of ROI are costs and benefits. Cost is further bifurcated into development cost, operational cost and intangible cost. Further, benefit means benefits which result from development of a new system and that can be subdivided into tangible and intangible benefits. Benefits which result from development of the new system and that can be subdivided into tangible and intangible benefits.